Welcome back to the Hill and Levy Financial Network. Today, I'm breaking down one of the most misunderstood, but most powerful concepts in credit repair. The snowball effect. Most people think credit repair is slow, painful, and unpredictable, but when you understand how the snowball effect works, your credit score doesn't rise little by little. It rises in waves. One change triggers another, one update unlocks the next, one approval leads to more approvals, and before you know it, your entire credit profile transforms. Let me show you exactly how it works. The snowball effect is simple. Small strategic changes compound over time until your credit score starts increasing automatically. It's not about sending 100 dispute letters, it's not about hacking the system, it's not about hoping for a miracle. It's about understanding how the credit scoring model reacts when you fix the right things in the right order. Think of your credit like a hill. At the top of the hill is the score you want. But sitting on that hill is a giant snowball. Heavy, stuck, not moving. Your job is to remove the weight, build momentum, and then let the system work for you. Before your snowball can roll, you have to remove the weight holding it in place. This is the cleaning phase of credit repair. You target the items that are dragging your score down the hardest. Collections, charge-offs, late payments, repossessions, medical bills, duplicate accounts, incorrect personal information, old addresses, wrong names, wrong employers. Why personal information? Because your personal information is the anchor that ties negative accounts to your file. When you clean it up, disputes hit harder. Deletions happen faster. The bureaus have less data to verify against. Once the weight is removed, your credit profile is no longer stuck. Now the snowball can actually start rolling. Now that the weight is gone, you need momentum. Momentum comes from adding positive data. 1. Lowering utilization. This is the fastest way to trigger a score jump. Paying your cards down before the statement date can move your score 20 to 80 points in a single cycle. 2. Adding new positive accounts. You need at least 3x5 active positive trade lines, secured cards, credit builder loans, store cards, gas cards, authorized user accounts. These accounts create payment history, which is 35% of your score. 3. On-time payments. Every on-time payment is a push down the hill. 4. Age of credit. The longer your accounts stay open, the more momentum you build. 5. Mix of credit installment plus revolving for stronger profile. This is where the snowball starts to move. Slow at first, but it's moving. This is the part nobody talks about, the moment when your credit profile becomes self-improving. Here's what happens. 1. Your utilization drops, your score rises. 2. Your score rises, lenders approve you. 3. Lenders approve you, you get higher limits. 4. Higher limits, lower utilization. 5. Lower utilization, even higher scores. 6. Higher scores, better approvals. 7. Better approvals, more positive history. This is the snowball effect. It's not linear, it's exponential. One approval leads to another, one positive account strengthens the next, one deletion unlocks the next score jump. Your credit profile becomes a machine, and the machine starts working for you. Let me give you a real example. A client came to us with 9 collections, 2 charge-offs, 78% utilization, no active positive accounts. We cleaned the personal information. We disputed the duplicates. We removed the collections. We added 2 secured cards and a credit builder loan. We dropped utilization to 12%. Within 90 days, 112-point increase, 3 new approvals, $7,500 in new limits. Utilization dropped again. Score jumped again. That's the snowball effect. So, here's the truth. You don't fix your credit 1 point at a time. You fix the system, and the points follow. If you want the full blueprint, the letters, the timelines, the strategies, the order, join the Hill and Levy 4 Pockets Academy. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe, follow, and check out the full episode linked below.